our boats, our cats, catamarans, yachts. Tahiti sailing begins right now. If I may paraphrase a popular TV host, Jeff Koinange. So this is our boat. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna be 4 per boat. 4 per boat. I'm gonna go onto the yacht. Yeah. Come with me to the yacht. This is our yacht today. I'm on the yacht. We're gonna have fun. Sailing starts right now. We're gonna have lots of fun today. But tonight we're gonna stick around the outside it the mooring or the pier because we need to get our stocks into the kitchen. We need to prepare for the evening. You know, we just arrived today morning and we're kind of tired. 8-hour flight from Los Angeles, then 1-hour flight to Bora, then onwards to Raiatea. We're kind of tired. We need to relax. So we'll be on the boat tonight. Tomorrow we start the sailing. This will be our outdoor lounge. This will be our outdoor lounge. And I'm on the deck. Several boats here for several groups. But this is gonna be my boat. There you go. My friend Sam is already seated and having kinywaji. Hi Sam. So the kitchen. Yeah, we are stocking up the kitchen. Stocking up. Those are the controls there. I don't know much about how it works. And then downstairs are our bed areas. Right. See ya later. Air conditioning. Storage cupboards. More storage cupboards. Check up on my friends as we continue sailing. Right, let me prepare for breakfast. We are now sailing. Captain Jaya Raiatea. Out in the sea. Pure sail. Out in the sea, Raiatea, French Polynesia, Tahiti. Sailing on a yacht. Gonna visit several islands. Our yacht takes 4 people. The wind is strong, the waves are moving fast. Sailing today. Sailing away to the unknown, navigating the island waters of the cold Pacific Ocean on a catamaran. Captain Jaya up there, twisting and turning, using the motor now, the engine, but soon we're gonna put up the sails. There we go, there we go. Lovely, 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 lovely. Alright, see you later. We keep sailing. We are sailors in the open sea of the Raiatea. So we are sailing in the Pacific Ocean. Raiatea is just in the background. We just left a few minutes ago. This is Charlie Boy, World Explorer in Tahiti, Tapite, French Polynesia. There we go. Raiatea is in the background. We are gonna visit Bora. Very similar to Bora in Kenya at the south coast. Some popular bar spot for revelers. We are sailing in the open sea. We are sailors. So Sinbad the Sailor, modern day Sinbad the Sailor. We have our dinghy here for excursions to the shores. We shall use the dinghies. We have our lifesavers here. The open sea is getting rough. Woo! We are sailing the open seas. It's getting amazing here. After so many years of wanting to come to French Polynesia, finally here we come. I'm gonna keep sharing this stuff with you guys. We're in a yacht for 4 people, 4 beautiful rooms, all en suite, amazing stuff, good engineering, good architectural, nautical architecture. I should learn some of this stuff. Our other boat has left with 4 more members, and now we're joining them soon. Let's go sailing the open seas. Captain Jaya up there. We are sailors. Alright, keep talking to me. We are sailing in the open sea, the great Pacific, the biggest, the deepest, the bluest, the coldest, colder than the Atlantic, I guess. We are surrounded by several islands in the French Polynesia, and this is your Charlie boy doing a tour of the French Polynesia. We just left Raiatea. At the background there is Raiatea, and we are navigating through the waters, trying to avoid the shallow areas. The sun is right behind me. The water is deep. This area is very popular for windsurfing. Very popular for windsurfing. So I'm here with my friends, and we are doing good. I'm doing good. Here with my friends. Peter is there. David is getting up. Junior captain is on. We are doing real good. We are doing real good. Right. Open sea. What an amazing feeling out here. Woo, I'm lying down on the top deck. I'm on the top deck lying down. I got to be careful my phone to just drop off. Once it drops, it's gone. Gardenia. Our boat is known as Gardenia from Dream Yacht Charters. Trying to show you the sails. We are about to draw the sails. Whoa. Got some islands here. So I'll talk to you later. We're going to the uncharted waters, but I'll keep you informed. This is amazing. Ciao. I can see our other boat right ahead. We are telling them to move on.
Go there in front and wait for them. Go there in front and wait for them to move.
They should move on. We are right behind them.
When they are talking.
Go to the starboard on the left side.
They are talking.
The open sea.
They are talking, then it's fine. Cynthia?
Yeah, there's some communication now between the two boats.
Eh? Did you hear us talking?
Yes.
We put it. You put it?
I heard.
Okay, I put it here. I forgot to put it here. So Charles Whitty was saying they tried to call us and we were not responding.
On top of the hour.
And the ones who tried to call us.
He's already talking to you.
No, he's still talking. Huh?
He's talking to you.
Talk to him.
The islands next to our boat here. Our sister boat.
Umetokea pale.
Yeah, we've slowed down to communicate with the other boat. Our other friends are on the other boat. But we are doing well. The weather is good. It's kind of cool actually. The wind is on our side, not on our face. We are on top of the deck and we are moving perfectly. Yeah. Out here can be intimidating. The water is dark. Most menacing. The sails are up. The ocean is rough. Eh? 5, eh? I knew we'd get to 5. 5 knots. That's a good speed for a sailboat. It's a good thing to see the landmass. The waves can be, I hear they could cause seasickness, some nausea. After one of our friends is having nausea. We are riding the waves and we are sailing the Pacific Ocean, the open seas, deep in the middle of nowhere, or at least in the middle of the hills. Raiatea, Bora, Utuhora. Here the names are tongue twisters. The ocean is rough. There is Bora.
Good afternoon, this is Bora. We're just about to enter into the famous Bora in French Polynesia. And interestingly, the mountain looks like, or the island looks like Sleeping Warrior. On the backside, as we are coming, it was looking like Sleeping Warrior. There's a photo to that. And the famous floating hotel. I hope you can see them. Any chance you want to pull them in a bit? The famous floating hotel, but currently it is closed for renovation. Someone mentioned that we'll be seeing a lot of cranes out there. So yeah, I'm the captain of one of the two boats of us from Kenya. It's called Gardenia. And with me taking the photos is Charles. You want to say hi, Charles? Thank you.
Hi guys, Charlie Boy here. Lovely stuff. Approaching Bora, much closer now. You can see the sleeping warrior. Bora, the majestic hill there. Must be an execution of some volcanic activity. Sailing in the Pacific. Wide, expansive Pacific Ocean. The wind is in my face, quite strong. Charlie Boy here, world together. Seeing the world from a common phone, no more equipment, no sophisticated photography, using a simple Samsung Ultra. Bring to you the magic of the world. Let's explore together. That's what our brim for sweeping the yacht. Let's go. Lovely. Sailing to Bora. Bora in the background. We are sailing at about 10 knots. Moving quite fast. Actually, we are using the engines. The sails became too rough, the winds are too strong. So the boat was going haywire. So in the background is the famous Bora. And we are going to approach it from some opening in the map. Moving quite fast. Our sister boat is ahead. Everything is good so far. We're doing fine. The temperatures have fallen, getting a bit cooler. And the waves are still strong. The boat is bouncing. We are enjoying every moment here in this Pacific. This is the Great Pacific, and we are sailing around the French Polynesia Islands, sometimes known as the Society Islands. Right, let's keep sailing.